In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Zenni Optical promo code. So let's get started. So Zenni Optical is a lens company which sells eyeglasses and etc. And you might be wondering on how you can get a discount because these glasses are pretty expensive. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Zenni Optical promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see the website Los Angeles Times and you're gonna click on it. So once you click on the website, you're gonna see many coupon codes here. For example, the first one is get an extra 20% off. Let's say you want this, you can just click view coupon, which is gonna show you the code. So here, whenever you sign up to the website, it's automatically gonna send you an email with this code, so you can directly sign up to the website and try to see this code. Well, there are many offers as well. So for example, get eyeglasses fast with 3 to 5 days delivery. So this is an ongoing offer as well. So yeah, there are many offers which you can go and see. Now let's go to some other website and I'll show you a few more codes. You can close this website, you can scroll down until you see this website coupon follow. So once you're on this website, there's the first one will be 15% off with this promo code. So you can click on it. And this is the code for a 15% off. So you can copy, continue to the website and use this at checkout when you purchase your glasses. Similarly, there are many other codes. For example, save up to 25% with this code. So you can click on it. And with this code, you get a 25% off. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.